Scrap gardening adventure! Potato, potato. What do you say to a well-dressed potato? You look smashing. Hi everyone. For today's scrap gardening adventure, we're going to play with planting potatoes from other potatoes. So cool. So I have my potatoes already cut. You can ask the adult who's with you to cut your potatoes, and you need to let them dry for a day or two so that they're dry to the touch. And you want to make sure, see these little things? These are the eyes. You want to make sure they have 1 or 2 eyes on each of them, because that's where your new potato is going to grow. So let's go outside and plant some potatoes. You'll need water, something to grow your potato in, dirt, and a potato. I'm using a recycled gallon water jug because I want to see the process. I punched holes in the bottom too so that it can drain. So ask the adult with you if they'll help you if you want to use a plastic bottle too. Fill your bottle a little bit more than halfway with dirt, and then you want to dig a trench. I used my finger just to make a little hole, and you're going to tuck your potato right in the trench you dig. Next, cover it with about 4 inches of dirt. Bye, potato. See you soon. Last, but definitely not least, give your potatoes a really good drink. When you're all done growing your potato, don't forget to take out your notebook and think about what kind of potato you're growing. What shapes do you notice? Like my potato is kind of a lumpy, bumpy oval. The container I'm using is a cylinder with a flat bottom. Look at the colors in your potato and just write down anything you notice. Have fun planting your potato, and we'll check back in a little while and see what's happening. Bye.